Hello, students. I hope you are enjoying your good health. I pray for your safe and happy life. Now, let us proceed with our class in drama. As the mask scene starts with the arrival of goddess of rainbow Iris and goddess of agriculture Ceres, Ceres asks Iris, "Why did you call me?" Then goddess Iris says, and now we start from the 62nd line by the dialogue of Iris. Iris says, "A contract of true love to celebrate, and some donation freely to estate on the blessed lovers." So Iris says that, "Oh, goddess Ceres, you are invited to celebrate the sacred vow taken by the lovers, the two lovers. And some donation freely to estate means, and you are requested to bestow some gifts on the lovers. Means you have to bless the lovers." Ceres says, "Tell me, heavenly bow, if Venus or her son, as thou dost know." So, in this dialogue, we will see that the Ceres is taking the name of Venus, Cupid, and Dis. Dis means Pluto. So, before we go further, we should know that why Ceres is taking means why these references are taken. So let us first know who is Venus. Venus is the goddess of love and beauty. Cupid is her son and he is the god of love. And Venus and Cupid are always busy making people fall in love. And this Pluto. Pluto is god of death. Pluto, with the help of Venus and Cupid, abducted Proserpina, Ceres' daughter, from the earth to his own kingdom. Ceres has been therefore having a strong grievance against both the mother and the son. Ceres describes Cupid's company as a most disgraceful company. So now let us proceed with the dialogue. Ceres says, "Tell me, heavenly bow, tell me, O goddess rainbow, if Venus or her son, as thou dost know, do not attend the queen. If you know whether the goddess Venus and her son Cupid is not attending Juno, means they are not joining Juno this time, since they did plot the means that dusky Dis my daughter got, because as earlier they had plotted or they had played a conspiracy against me, and by taking the means of these two, Venus and help of these two, Venus and the Cupid, Dis means Pluto, the god of death. He, my daughter got means he abducted my daughter Proserpina. Her and her blind boy's scandal company by taking the help of the Venus and her blind boy's Cupid's company. Iris. Then Iris says, "Of her society, yes, I have foresworn." So she is saying, the Ceres is saying that I have sworn to give up the disgraceful company of these two. Then Iris says, "Of her society be not afraid." So she is saying, please do not be afraid about them or worry about them. I met her deity, means I met Venus, cutting the clouds towards Paphos and her son dove drawn with her. Because I have seen Venus cutting or going through the clouds towards Paphos. Paphos is the island of Cyprus, and it is said that it is the birthplace of Venus. So she is saying that I have seen Venus cutting through the clouds, going through the clouds in a great speed, along with her son sitting on the chariot drawn by doves. Here thought they to have done some wanton charm. What they thought that they can do means they thought that they can go with the magical spell to tempt Ferdinand and Miranda so that they can break the promise that they have given to Prospero. But means the whose woes means the some they thought they to have done some wanton charm upon this man and maid, whose woes are that no bed right shall be paid. Because as they have vowed, Miranda and Prospero have vowed before Prospero that they will not be united before Hymen's torch be lighted, means before they are married, or before the god of marriage gives them permission. But vain, but their all efforts went useless. Mars' hot minion is returned again. Mars means the god of war, and his darling is goddess Venus. So here it is said that the Mars hot minion, darling, Venus has returned again. Means all her efforts went useless. Her waspish headed son has broke his arrows. Her son, Cupid, who used to sting by arrows so that the people may fall in love, in anger or in frustration, has broken his arrows. Swears he will shoot no more, and now he swears that now he will shoot or he will not use his arrow and he will no more shoot anybody but play with sparrows. But with this he will play with sparrows and be a boy right out, and he will be a simple boy right now, from right now. Then Ceres, highest queen of state, great Juno comes. I know her by her gait. Now Ceres is saying, highest queen of state Juno means great, she is coming, as I can know by her manner of walking. And now enter goddess Juno. Juno is the wife of the god Jupiter. Juno says, how does my bounteous sister? How are you, my generous sister? Go with me, come with me, to bless this twain that they may prosperous be. So let us bless this beautiful pair so they may prosperous in their life and honored in their issue and glorified in having their children. So today we stop here and we will continue later.